the only love song I've ever written. Well, I've been searching for way too long, looking for a girl like you. My head in the clouds, my heart on a string, drugging around to live with you. And I don't know where we're going, but I just can't wait to see you. 'Cause I've been wrong for too damn long, but I think I finally got it right. Just take my hand, let me hold you tight. You can steal my heart again tonight. Tonight. You're the one thing I can't live without. You're the only girl I see. My heart is so big, they're yours to keep. If you'll just run away with me, just pack your bags and hit the road. You know you'll always have me to hold. 'Cause I've been wrong for too damn long, but I think I finally got it right. Just take my hand, let me hold you tight. You can steal my heart again tonight. Well, girl, you know I'm waiting here. Well, if that's what you need, babe, well, you're the one I've been dreaming of. Just like an angel from above. 'Cause I've been wrong for too damn long, well, but I think I finally got it right. Just take my hand, let me hold you tight. You can steal my heart again tonight.